Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Margaret local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a dependable and cheap Margaret moving company should be a simple task. With 3 Movers, you get an affordable cost and a professional team to help you move. Whether it's a local or long-distance move, we can make it so easy for you. Our team helps veterans, students, business owners, homeowners, and renters move. Choosing the right moving company gives you access to the following options. Packing services. Let us make your long-distance move easier by packing and unpacking for you. Moving supplies. We have the highest quality moving supplies for your specific needs. An on-time move. Choosing to hire us means you can count on your movers to show up on time. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us will give you accurate pricing for your actual move. Licensed and insured. We keep your belongings well protected throughout your entire move. If you're ready to move, we can help, no matter how far you need to go. Our team will help you move 100 miles away, 500 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even further. Let us help make your long-distance move less stressful. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Margaret Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.